Welcome to the fascinating journey of chatbots, or conversational agents. Born in the 1960s with ELIZA, chatbots have come a long way from pattern matching and substitution methodology to sophisticated AI-driven entities. Initially, they were rule-based, responding to inputs with pre-programmed responses. However, with the advent of machine learning and natural language processing, chatbots have evolved to understand context, learn from past interactions, and generate dynamic responses. Today, we have informational bots serving data-driven responses, like weather updates, and transactional bots assisting with tasks like ticket booking. But the real game changer has been the emergence of GPT, or generative pre-trained transformer models. Developed by OpenAI, these transformer-based language models generate sentences word by word, pushing the boundaries of natural language processing. From the inaugural GPT-1 in 2018, to GPT-2 in 2019 with its 1.5 billion parameters, to the latest GPT-4 in 2023, these models have been evolving, learning to predict the next word, understanding larger datasets, and even writing Python code. They represent the cutting edge of AI conversational agents, allowing unprecedentedly nuanced and intelligent conversations with machines. Join us as we continue to break boundaries and redefine communication with AI.